Hey YouTube, is good. Today I wanted to do like a 90s Latina makeup look. So yeah, let's just get into it. I did already start my brows. I will come out with a tutorial soon. I promise, I promise. It's definitely like overdue at this point. Basically what I wanted to do next is just like spot conceal because yeah, I need it. So I'm gonna just take like the same concealer that I use for like my brows and whatever, which is the Huda Beauty Full Filtered Concealer. And I'm gonna basically just like, yeah, cover up all these little like red spots that are gonna try to fuck up the vibe for today, and I'm not gonna let it. I'm like, so basically my whole face. Oh my god, I forgot primer again. No way. That's crazy. Alright, anyways, for foundation today, I think I'm gonna go in with this Kosas foundation. It's the Light Neutral 140. I feel like this makes me look kind of pale, but it has SPF in it. Except I don't want like that much foundation either, so I think I'm gonna just use that pump and see if I need more, but I don't think so, especially because I'm already like covering up what's underneath, you feel me? But yeah, so I'm gonna just take this elf sponge. Ew, why does it sound like that? Ew, what the fuck? I feel like this color match isn't really like the right color anymore for me, but I just like how the finish is. I feel like we can always just like bronze it up with some concealer. I'm not concealer, contour. Yeah, just make sure everything's blended together. See what I'm saying? I look like literally ghostly pale. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty contour stick in Amber Suede number 9. Literally like always. And then I think it's time that I actually like switch up my contour brushes because I've used them for like a second now. I'm just gonna try to make sure there's no like dust or like hairs or fuzzies on it because like I keep them in my vanity, like the clean ones, but I swear I get so itchy. Like right now I'm even itchy and I don't even know why, like for real. But I feel like if this has anything to do with it, I'm gonna make sure that is not gonna fucking happen. Okay, anyways, I'm using this It Cosmetics brush in C7125. It's like the airbrush foundation, but obviously I'm not using this for foundation, but I don't care. I'm gonna still use it for this. And I'm gonna just blend everything out. I feel like that made it a little better. Okay, this like itchy shit needs to fucking stop. Like that's crazy. Like literally for what? I am gonna just go ahead and set all the bronzer that I put on with this Dior Forever Natural bronze in number 4. I think I say this almost in every single video, but I literally will never get over how perfect this bronzer is for me because it was so hard to find like a good bronzer that like works with my skin tone because I have like neutral skin tone, and also it took me forever to figure out that I even had neutral skin tone. I always thought I had like yellow skin, which like kinda, but like it's definitely more neutral than yellow. Like, but I swear I was always like, oh no, I got like olive skin, whatever. But then nothing was like fitting, and like now I'm just pale as fuck because I like literally hide from the sun and I layer like SPF 50 and reapply it like all the time. Because I don't want to age a single day in my fucking life. But I just feel like even like my cousin like used to always like clown me for my makeup. He low-key was onto something. Like I'm telling you, like he was like, Marina, like why do you look so like red or like orange? Like it just looks like weird. And I was like, what are you talking about? It's bronzer. Like that's what it does. Like it warms up your face. Like what do you expect? And he was like, I know, but like that doesn't even look right. I don't know, like when I didn't know any better, I thought that that's just like how it was. But then I was like, you know what, I kind of agree with you, but also I don't know like where to look to like find something that like I'm trying to color match. And it literally took me until like, I think I started using this in 2021. Like, I mean, it took me 21 years like to figure that out. Like about like the undertones and everything. Everything always just showed up like red or orange, and like for a while I swear nothing, like I could not find anything. And Also, I probably couldn't even afford like this, you know, so like I probably didn't even like look at the Dior like makeup section. But when I did try this and I found it, I swear I like freaked out, because that's when I finally realized this is like what I needed my whole life. So there's no like red tints, there's no orange tints, like it just looks like, I love it. But yeah, 11 out of 10 recommends. I'm gonna try to like link it somewhere over here in case you're interested. Just make sure you choose like the right color. Yeah, for the eyes, I'm gonna go in with this. Yeah, I'm gonna start with, actually, I'm lying. I'm gonna go in with this Blue You Away palette, and I think I'm gonna go in a little bit with this like blue color right here. It's like this baby blue color. I did use it before on this channel and I love it. And then I'm gonna just take like a fluffy blending brush. This one's from MAC. It's the 224 brush. Start putting it like all over my eyelid. I didn't really do a transition shade, which is kind of scary. Actually, maybe I should do that. Honestly, I'm being lazy, so I'm gonna just go in with the same brush. And I'm gonna go in with this color right here. They're not like named, which is annoying as fuck, but I'm gonna just like blend that into like my crease a little bit, just so that there's like a little bit of like a transition shade. That way it doesn't just look too pale and too like washed out, I guess. Like you'll actually be able to see the blue and like be able to like appreciate the blue. I don't know. I swear I just be like saying things and like as soon as like it makes sense in my head, but as soon as I like say it out loud, I'm like, I just hope that makes sense. Okay, but anyways, now I'm actually going with that blue. I'm not trying to make this like a super blue look. I just like how it makes it look kind of like ashy and like, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I feel like that's just like a very 90s look. I don't know. And I feel like all the like video vixens and whatever on MTV, like especially like the Latino ones, like they always had this, and so that like inspired me. I swear to God, that like shaped me to be who I am today. And I'm gonna just try to highlight like under my brow bone instead of using like an actual highlighter. I want to use like something matte because I feel like that's what they did. And then I'm gonna just like take a little bit and put it on the inner corner and like blend it into the blue. Then I think since this is like a 90s look, like, I don't know, I feel like wings weren't really like that big, so I don't think I'm gonna do a wing. Or maybe I'll do like a little baby wing, but it's gonna be with gel eyeliner, not liquid. So I'm using this Infinity eyeliner from Milk. I think it's in the color Outer Space, if I'm not lying, yeah. So basically I'm gonna start it out here. And that's basically as much of a wing as I'm gonna do. And yeah, I'm gonna just try to line like my whole eye. I think for the inner corner, I'm gonna just like waterline or tight line, whatever you want to call it. I can't even breathe when I do that. But this way, when we put the mascara on, it kind of just like makes the lashes look thicker. And I think I am gonna do some on the bottom because I can't help it. I'm gonna just keep it kind of light like this, honestly. I'm not even gonna make it like that dark. I'm gonna just do this onto the other side and I'll be right back. Alright, so I finished up this other side. I feel like it's already looking pretty good. Everything in me wants to do like a fucking nose contour so bad right now, but like, I probably shouldn't. Alright, I'm gonna just do that. I'm done. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer, and I'm just putting this on my lashes because this is gonna help just like hold the curl and whatever. And this lash color is from Lily Lashes. Alright, and then for the mascara, I'm gonna use this Milk Kush mascara. I'm gonna do multiple coats, to be honest. Wait, did I just do a second coat? I don't know if you guys just watched me do that, so you have to tell me, but I'm gonna just do another one just in case I didn't, because I can't remember. Actually, I'm gonna wait on the bottom mascara because I didn't even put concealer on underneath. So for concealer, I'm gonna go back in with this Huda Beauty Full Filter Concealer. I'm gonna put some on my forehead and on my chin. And I'm gonna quickly blend it out because I feel like for some reason when I put it on my forehead, it like leaves like a mark of like where I just applied it, like in that shape. It's like weird, I don't know why it does that sometimes. I think we're good though. And then I'm gonna just set everything. I'm actually using a different powder this time. It's the Laura Mercier talc-free setting powder. Yeah, I'm gonna just set like everywhere where I put the concealer. Not too much though, because I feel like in the 90s they had like pretty natural skin, even though it was kind of matte at the same time, but not like too matte. Honestly, I want to put highlighter on, but I think I'm not going to because that doesn't really go with the vibes, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the MAC lip liner in Stone. I feel like Latinas always have been wearing like brown lip liners since the beginning of time, so you know that's obviously what I'm gonna do. And plus I use this one anyways, always. But I also feel like they use like a darker one, so I'm also going with this. It's actually like an eyeliner from MAC, but it's in the color coffee and it's like the perfect brown. I feel like they don't really have very many lip liners that are like neutral or cool toned, like besides this one's like very cool toned, and I feel like some people might not even like it depending on like your undertone, but since I have neutral undertones I can go like either or. I just feel like I'm almost like leaning more towards like cool tone because when I put like a regular brown lip liner, it like literally doesn't look brown, it goes straight to like reddish brown. Like I don't know, that's why I really like fuck with the Stone color. And I'm gonna just line like the edges with this color, and it's like almost black, but it's just like a super dark brown. I'm like kind of torn if I should even put this on, but I think I want to because I feel like there's not enough color on the middle of my lips. So I'm gonna use this Smashbox Lip and Cheek. It's in the color Wisteria. Then for the gloss, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Lip Gloss. It's like a brown gloss. But I feel like it's perfect for like a 90s type look. For setting spray, I'm gonna use this Morphe setting spray. It's kind of gonna like bring more life back into my face. But she's been like spraying out hella crazy though, so I'm like a little nervous. I'm gonna definitely have to like re-straighten my hair now since she got everywhere. But yeah, so I'm gonna just like do that real quick and then I'll come back with the final look. Alright, so this is the final look. I'm zooming it up a little bit so you can see. I did put some molds on because I had like some 3D pimples that are trying to fuck up the vibe, so. But for the molds, I just used the Marilia Scott Cosmetics Faux Freckle, whatever. This is the look. I literally love like anything that's like makeup from the 90s. Like they really knew what they were doing, especially like Latina makeup, like stop. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Anyways, yeah, I feel bad as fuck right now, and this is just like if I could just like have a go-to makeup look, like this would probably be it. That's it for this video. Let me know what you think, and if you recreate it, don't forget to tag me. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.